To help you get started quickly on each new plan that you create, OptiPlan creates the first scenario in each new plan by copying a scenario template. When your OptiPlan user account is created, two plan templates will be created for you, one for single clients and one for couples. These templates allow you to define the scenario elements you normally start with for a new client, and to define the desired default values for all the element options. Each time you start a new plan, OptiPlan will automatically create the first scenario for the plan by copying the scenario from the appropriate single or couple template. You can find the plan templates on your plan list with the names My Default Single Plan and My Default Couple Plan. Each of the template plans will include one default scenario. When the templates are created, their scenario will include the following elements: a Social Security element for each client, 4 expense ranges, a retirement account for each client, an income stream definition for each client, and 1 bank account for the household. If you want to change these templates, simply edit them as you would modify any other scenario that you create. You can add more elements or remove the ones that you don't usually need. You can also change the properties of each element option to reflect the default values that you'd like to start with. You might notice that the client names in some of the elements appear as Client 1 and Client 2, surrounded by angle brackets. These special names should remain in the element names, as they get replaced by the actual client names when the first scenario for a new plan is created from the template. You should not create additional scenarios for the default plans, as only the first scenario in each plan is used when creating new plans.